Hello and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you here. Happy New Year to you and your family. Today I'm sharing on 3 weight loss mistakes that are keeping you stuck even when you are eating healthy. Now, eating healthy is in quotes. What's mistake number 1? You are eating healthy foods in quotes, but not in a balanced way. Let me explain. Many people assume that they're eating healthy because they choose healthy foods like salads, oats, smoothies, yogurt, or whole grains. They are healthy. However, there's a problem somewhere which I've encountered many times with many clients. You want to know what the problem is? These foods on their own might be healthy, but they are not always balanced for you to achieve weight loss. Let's give examples. A smoothie that you make that is made up mostly of fruit, especially sweet fruits, is actually you consuming sugar, because fruit sugar is still sugar and sugar promotes weight gain. If you're eating a salad without any protein in it or little protein, you are going to have cravings for sweet ingredients because protein helps you to curb your cravings. Having a bowl of oats without healthy fats is not going to help you because your body needs healthy fats in addition to it. Granola labeled clean but high in sugar is going to make you fat. Do not be fooled by the labeling of the food industry. Snack bars marketed as natural are usually full of nonsense. You must understand labeling so that you don't fall for the scam of the food industry. When meals that you are eating are not balanced with these 3 groups, protein, healthy lean protein, fiber, and healthy fat, you end up getting hungry again, and that will happen fast. You end up snacking more because you have cravings. You end up craving sweet things. You end up eating larger portions later in the day. The truth is that healthy eating doesn't always mean fat loss eating. Fat loss meals must be balanced meals. Let's look at mistake number 2. Eating too little from Monday to Friday because you have been good, but you now overeat on the weekends. You can't binge eat over the weekend without the consequences. Now, this is one of the biggest and hidden reasons people don't lose weight or maintain the weight they have lost. The pattern that you are going through or cycle looks like this. Weekdays, I am being good because I am eating smaller meals, which is good through the willpower that you have built. Then weekend comes, you think to yourself, I've been so strict, so I deserve a reward, which could be bigger portions, comfort foods, takeouts are loaded with sugar, and it leads you to feel that you are a failure. You are not a failure. What's happening is that you are just stuck in this horrible cycle called restrict, binge eat, and the guilt. Your body gets to the stage where it rebels or reacts to this enforced restriction by driving up your hunger hormones and the cravings that you have, especially after long stressful weeks, maybe at work or in your business. I know this because I have been there. One weekend of overeating can cancel out 5 days of being good. And I put the good in quotes. As a certified weight loss consultant, I tell you that sustainable weight loss requires the following: consistent healthy meals in the right amounts, not extreme rules, but good habits that you must build. 3, you must remove the mindset of good versus bad days. Let all days be good to you. Enjoy flexible treats without feeling guilty. Once in a while, give yourself a treat. Let's look at mistake number 3. You are relying mostly on doing cardio for those who love the gym instead of daily movement. Cardio is great for heart health, I kid you not, but it's not the most effective tool for long-term weight loss. What happens when you rely on cardio? You burn your calories only during the workout. Your appetite increases because you've worked so much. You don't build muscle because muscle is what increases metabolism, and that's what you need to lose weight. You often feel more tired after that instead of feeling fitter. Fat loss becomes easier when you focus on strength training, maybe 2 to 3 times a week to boost your metabolism, which must be boosted. Walking daily to increase calorie burn gently, and shorter, high quality workouts instead of those long, exhausting sessions. This combo, if you combine it, this combo is actually going to help you burn fat even when you are not exercising. It's about balance. And I will catch you in my next video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. And also in the comment section, I'm going to put the link for my upcoming free fat burning weight loss seminar. It is free and it's coming up on the 30th of January. Just click on the link to register, and I will catch you in my next video.